सो हे गाइस, आज मैं एक ऐसे वीडियो बना रही हूँ। मैं एक्चुअली इतने दिन से मैंने वीडियो इसलिए नहीं बनाई थी कि आई वाज इन टोटल वर्क, घर की सफाई थी और फिर उसके बाद मेरा कैमरा बंद पड़ गया था। और ये ट्राइपॉड की तो परेशानी होती है, हमेशा होती है, इट्स नथिंग स्पेशल। सो आज की वीडियो इसी चीज़ पे बना रही हूँ। आई डोंट मीन मैं इस चीज़ पे बना रही कि मेरी प्रॉब्लम्स क्या थी, बट हाँ इस चीज़ पे बना रही हूँ कि द फर्स्ट डैश 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 इन द वर्ल्ड और इन द यूनिवर्स और इन इंडिया और एवरीवेयर एनीवेयर आई मीन। सो आज जो वीडियो का पर्पज़ है वो ये है कि मैंने कई वीडियोस देखी थी इस चीज़ पे एंड आई थॉट कि क्यों ना बनाया जाए। एंड इसीलिए मतलब अलग अलग टाइप का, बट आई थॉट समथिंग डिफरेंट। एंड आज मैंने अपने मोबाइल के साथ में बैठ गई, मैंने बोला चलो करते क्यों ना। सो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज द फर्स्ट डेथ इन द यूनिवर्स। पता नहीं है क्यों लिख रही हूँ। माई स्क्रीन इज क्रैक्ड अप। ओके, the first death of a human in the universe. आया नहीं आजा। मैं वाईफाई इज़ रियली स्लो क्योंकि मैं बाहर आके बैठी हूँ, मैं अपनी बालकनी में आके बैठी हूँ। Okay, when in the Asians human began, the first step was detecting death chemically. What? Okay, the first step was detecting death chemically. We know that hundreds of millions years ago, organisms evolved the ability to sense. आगे का पढ़ना पड़ेगा। Ability to sense. This is what came in Google. पूरी कथा पढ़ तो नहीं सकते अभी हम फिलहाल, तो हम इसे बैक कर देते हैं एंड लेट्स गो टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। सो द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज द फर्स्ट लाइफ ऑन द अर्थ। व्हाट was the first life on the earth? माइक्रोस्कोपिक ऑर्गेनिजम्स या फिर माइक्रोब्स, यानी कि ये हर एक बंदे ने साइंस में पढ़ा होगा। सो दैट्स नथिंग टू एक्साइटिंग इन इट मेरे हिसाब से, क्योंकि जिस स्टैंडर्ड में मैं हूँ अभी फ़िलहाल उस स्टैंडर्ड में ये शब्द हर 2 मिनट में आ रहा है एंड आई एम नॉट फाइंडिंग दिस अट्रैक्टिव एट ऑल। हाँ, सो टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। The first Bollywood film, the first Bollywood movie, Silent Raja Harishchandra. It was the first movie of Indian movies. It was the first movie of Bollywood. पहली इंडियन मूवी थी वो। सो दादा साहेब फाल्के साइलेंट राजा हरिश्चंद्र 1913 is the first feature film made in India. By the 1930s, the industry was producing over 200 films per year. The first Indian sound film, Ardeshir Irani Alam Ara 1931, was commercially successful. Wow. And we have the movie here too on the YouTube. First one. Focus नहीं कर रहा कैमरा, कोई बात नहीं। तो it was the first movie made by Dada Saheb Phalke, and it was the first movie in Bollywood. So yeah, next. So the next movie is the first movie, like Bollywood का तो पता चल गया, the first movie in the world ये पता करना है। Roundel Garden Scene, 1888. The world's earliest surviving motion film showing actual consecutive actions is called Roundel Garden Scene. It's a short movie directed by French inventor Louis Le Prince, while it's just 2.11 seconds long. That's really nice. कितना इवॉल्व होते हैं इंसान, कितने अच्छे तरीके से हम लोग नई चीज़ें इन्वेंट कर रहे हैं. लाइक पहले का पढ़ के ऐसा लगता है ओ माय गॉड हम कहाँ थे. इवन आई वॉज नॉट born at that time. I was born in 2000s, and after reading the old history I'm like, oh my god, we have actually gone through a great evolution. So the movie's name was Round a Garden Scene, and it's only 2.11 seconds long, and we have them on the Google too, so you can go and search it up. So next thing is, when was the first human seen? नहीं कैसे नहीं, when was the first human born? Maybe पता नहीं. When was the first human born? So let's search it. When was the first human born? 7 million years ago. One of the biggest steps in early human evolution. Scientists are in agreement. The first human ancestor appeared between 5 million and 7 million years ago, probably when ape-like creatures in Africa began to walk habitually on two legs. Yeah, ये मेरी हिस्ट्री की बुक में दिया हुआ था, and I was not interested in it. कसम से बता रही हूँ. हाँ, हिस्ट्री मेरा फेवरेट सब्जेक्ट है, मुझे खुद रीड करना बहुत पसंद है, लेकिन वन ऑफ द लेसन इफ आई स्किप्ड वाज दिस वन. इसलिए मैंने शायद से सर्च किया है. So to the next question. Next question is, when was the first building made? So let's search it up. When was the first building made? New radiocarbon dating 2011 allow us to date the building of the first monument 4000 to 3650 BC, the second shrine dating to 3500 and 3000 BC. Oldest preserved stone house in northwest Europe. Two structures on the island of Gozo. Okay, on the island of Gozo I think the first building was made. इसमें तो ऐसा ही दिया है, पता नहीं. Okay, so it was the oldest structure found on the earth. Wow, like ओके. सो अभी इतना सर्च करने के बाद मैं जिस जगह पे वीडियो डालने वाली हूँ वहाँ के बारे में सर्च करते हैं. व्हेन वाज द फर्स्ट यूट्यूबर क्रिएटेड? सो लेट्स सर्च इट अप. व्हेन वाज द फर्स्ट यूट्यूब, एक सेकेंड, यूट्यूबर in my recommendations there is when was the first YouTuber born. I don't know. Google knows it. I'll search it after this. When was the first YouTuber made? On 15 February 2005, San Mateo, California, United States. It was the first YouTuber made. YouTube. Okay, YouTube was founded. Okay. Wow. YouTube's first video was uploaded 15 years ago. Watch me at zoo. Business Insider. George Carlin meet at the zoo. First YouTube video. This was the first YouTube video by George Carlin, Me at Zoo, for a platform that made online video for more accessible and easier to share. Okay. मेरी इंग्लिश पढ़ने में बहुत बेकार है, मैं ऐसा सोचती हूँ, या मैं अभी गलत पढ़ रही हूँ क्योंकि शायद क्या रीज़न हो सकता है, मेरे को भी नहीं पता. So actually I'm good in reading. अभी मैं वीडियो बनाने में थोड़ी नर्वस हो रही हूँ शायद. Next. So jumping to the next video. Sorry. So jumping to the next question. I really think, when was plastic made? When was first plastic made? Plastic. 1907. A key breakthrough came in 1907 with Belgian American chemist Leo Baekeland created Bakelite, the first real synthetic mass produced plastic. ये थिंग्स मेरे को नोट कर लेनी चाहिए, शायद मुझे फ्यूचर में काम आएंगी किसी चीज़ के साथ, पता नहीं, मुझे ऐसा लगता है. सो आई विल नोट दैट डाउन लेटर, क्योंकि मेरे इसमें सर्च लिस्ट में आ जाएगा, सर्च हिस्ट्री में आ जाएगा. तो हम जिसका नोट डाउन सर्चिंग ओके या. तो गूगल एक ऐसी जगह है जहाँ पे बहुत नॉलेजेस मिलती हैं, बहुत सारी नॉलेज मिलती है. सो लिटरली मैं भी सोचती हूँ कि आई शुड go with some more knowledge. As me, I'm a Koreaboo. Yeah, I'm a Koreaboo. So I am seeing through so many things on the YouTube and TikTok and all that stuff कि YouTube and TikTok and all that stuff कि Google is drunk, and I thought कि मुझे कुछ करना चाहिए. So let's search it up. So the first mistake I saw here was, who is the richest member in Blackpink? Here's Jimin's photo and here's written Lalisa Manubin. You can really search it up on your Google if you don't believe. Actually, I was also not believing it. But yeah, this is actually Lalisa Manubin is Jimin, and I think it's Jisoo or Jenny. I can't see, the photo is blur. So the next thing is the second wrong thing is, how many members are there in BTS? So kindly, I am really a big ARMY and I'm really a big fan of them. I am into them like 1 year ago, and मैं जब भी पीछे देखती हूँ like कितनी चीज़ें सिखा दी है उस ग्रुप ने मुझे. अगर मुझे कुछ बताना होगा तो I'll make another video for that, क्योंकि मुझे बहुत सारे explanations देने पड़ेंगे if you want to know BTS. क्योंकि BTS is one of the group that has inspired me so much. So I should stop talking about that and search it up. So how many members are there in BTS 2020? So news. Okay, all. Okay, after so many, I think it's fake because this is not showing. Here is whole Wikipedia. Okay, they are not telling how many BTS members are there. Okay, so I think they have cleared this all stuff, and they have cleared like what was their mistake. Good, keep it up, and clear the Lisa Manubin's mistake too, because that's something that should confuse a person. Okay, after so much of laughter, I'm just gonna like, next question. Okay, so there was a search of the Wizard of Oz. So let's search it up. The Wizard of Oz. And there are two shoes here, the two pair of shoes. And if we click them, there will be some changes in our Google. So let's click them. Whoa! Oh my god, no. Everything's grey. Everything's grey. Leaving the Google sign in my account, everything's grey right here. Ooh. So the next thing is Thanos. Okay, THANOS, Thanos. There's nothing like that on the Google. No, there's nothing. You can see there's nothing. Thanos hand? Maybe? Oh yeah, there is. But there's nothing so... No, there is nothing like... They are literally opening the Amazon and showing me that I have to buy it or not. I'm like, no, I don't want to. I'm not into such things. Thank you. Okay, so there is nothing like this, and the second one is fake, I think, because it's not there here. So the first one, the Wizard of Oz, was right, and the second one, the Thanos one, was fake. So we have a video here. Thanos snap Google. Thanos snaps Google. So let's watch this. No, I'm not gonna watch this video. I'm gonna make another video for this stuff. Guys, please like the video. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video to each and everyone who thinks like these things are real, and I've searched them live for you guys, so you can actually see in my phone that yeah, I have made it and I've searched it, and I've shown you guys that this is fake or this is real, which is fake, which is real. So you can go and check it out, guys, right now. See you later in the next video. Goodbye.